My name is David Logan. I live in Chapel Hill, North Carolina, and I am a qualified mental health professional. I've been in this field for about 10 years or so. And what brought me to LegalMatch was I had an issue with an employer. Felt like I'd been mistreated, several different issues, and never had to use a lawyer before. So I didn't know what the process was or whatever. So I just went on Google and I Googled attorneys that would help you with employment issues. And as I scrolled down, I saw LegalMatch and I was like, maybe this keep me from having to call like 20 different lawyers. So I clicked on you guys and you recommended, I think you sent me like 3 or 4 recommendations. But the very first one I tried, she got back to me so quickly and she was so helpful and professional and boom, I signed up with her. And that's pretty much it. Really pleased with the service and feel like all 3 of the people that you guys recommended would have been great based on my experience with the one that I did choose. I had what I felt like was a discrimination issue regarding my employer. I'm pretty sure that when I clicked on you guys, I put in what type of attorney I was looking for. And so you matched me up with, again, as I said, 3 or 4 different ones who specialized in that particular field. And the first one I chose happened to be great. So I didn't even check out the other 3 or 4. Honestly, had not heard of you guys. I was just strictly Googling. I just typed in the Google search bar, attorneys regarding discrimination issues. And there was a row of several attorneys popped up, and then LegalMatch popped up as well. And as I said earlier, I felt like that might be the most efficient way, rather than me calling all these different folks, is to have a service, so to speak, that would match maybe some of the better prospects for me. Well, I like the fact that she got back to me very promptly and she listened to my story, talked to me. The first thing was just the very fact that she was so prompt. She was so prompt as far as getting back to me. But then the fact she seemed, and I'm not an attorney, but she seemed really knowledgeable about that type of thing as far as discrimination. And just promptness and being very knowledgeable is what made me decide to just go with her. Best, I guess the thing I liked best was her promptness, or the fact that she talked to me in layman's terms, so to speak, so I could understand what she was saying. She didn't use a whole bunch of words that I didn't understand. The very fact that y'all were prompt too. As soon as I put in the information, it wasn't very long before you had sent me potential candidates for the attorney that I wanted. I would absolutely recommend you guys. It's the fact that you were very professional, very prompt, and your follow through was great. Your follow up was great. So I would absolutely recommend you guys.